step by step. So if you have no credit at all, I recommend you build your credit for 6 months to a year. Open up secure credit cards. Add primary trade lines from reliable vendors like Tradeline 1. Once you have everything in order, go to achieve.com. There's achieve right here.com. So the most you can borrow is around 100K. And you can see the turnaround time is 24 to 72 hours. So if you do this and get approved on a Friday, the funds is going to show up either Monday or Tuesday. So to get 100K, you're going to need to make a certain amount per month, but you can always fabricate your income. So let's say you make $5,000 a month, you can add the numbers and make it to where you do 50K a month. And then once you submit everything, then they can approve you for, 100K. And this is a personal loan. CPN, same thing. You build a CPN under your name, add trade lines, or even buy a CPN, attach your name, address, same process. All they're gonna need is your ID and bank statements, and then some will ask for check stubs. So once you have everything in order, well, you just apply, get approved same day, turnaround time, 24 hours to 72. 72 hours is if you do this on the weekends. So make sure you do this on a Monday or Tuesday to get the money within 24 hours. So for primary accounts, you're going to need some open accounts. So have like at least 3 to 5 open credit cards. The balance doesn't need to be that high. You can always add like an authorized user to increase the balance and add more history. But most likely you're going to need at least 2 or 3 years to get approved for 100K. But that's really easy. Just add an authorized user or a primary trade line, zombie debt, wherever you can to get approved for 100K. If you don't get approved for 100K, you can get 50K. Same deal, less trade lines, less borrowing power loans, more trade lines, you get 100K. If you have at least 10 to 30 trade lines, which are credit card loans, auto loans on your account, you can get way more. If you only have like 5 or less, most likely you're going to get like 20K or less. So the more you add, the better. Look for trade line sites that have packages that can get approved for a certain amount. But you can also use a CPN and your actual credit at the same time. So that means you can get 200K using 2 accounts. And if you buy a CPN with your own CPN and your personal, then boom, you have the 300K. But if you're using your personal, make sure you fix your credit.